These are the spices I'm using. Java. Hi guys, so today is on Tuesday and I just cooked dinner. I went to a friend's place and I saw eggs being cooked this way and I loved it, so I just did try that. I'm having eggs, spinach and some garlic. Hi guys, so I just got back home and today is on Friday, and yeah, so hi, if you're seeing my beautiful face for the first time, hi, my name is Auxilia and please do consider subscribing and becoming a part of this wonderful family. So guys, hey, I just got home like I said, and this install needs to go. Yeah, I think it has served its purpose. I see if I can raise you guys so that you can see it clearly. I think you guys can see it clearly now, but this install has served its purpose. It was good, but it needs to go.
Push P, yeah, push P, turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, gave my piece. Push P, cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the back, in the peas. Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push P. I'm capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep the P. Privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, piece of pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push P, push P, push P, push P. Yeah. Push P, push P, push P, push P. Paranoid, I can't sleep, pocket deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm push P, push P, push P, push P. Touch it down, watch it be. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche. Push P, 3 P's, popcorn Porsches. Push P, I just fucked a cup of water. Push your P, red band, and a card. I'ma pee you out your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply portion. I never saw ops, now we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets with me, no question. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabets, nigga try to sort it. I'm pushing P, pushing P, pushing P, pushing P, I'm pushing P, pushing P, pushing P.
these are the spices I'm gonna use to marinate my chicken, and then when I come in the evening, I'm just gonna cook it. So I'm using paprika, ginger powder, curry powder, chicken masala, garlic powder, and some chilies. Yeah, and this is the chicken I'm marinating. Quick OOTD and then I leave. I also want to deworm. Remember to deworm, guys, deworm. So quick OOTD, jeans from Durua, top from Think Twice, and then my sandals from Durua as well. And this wig isn't gone yet, but it might go in the evening. So yeah, but I look nice. I'm also just gonna carry an apple to snack on, because got some food from Java and I just want to eat that. Wow, the fries look so good, so good. Got a burger and some fries. So I just finished cleaning and everything. I just want to do my skincare. Maybe let me close that back door before I get copyrighted. Okay, so my neighbor was playing some loud music and I don't want to get copyrighted. And yeah, so I just finished cleaning and my house looks so good. I just haven't sprayed. Let me spray and then I take a shower, and then I want to go to my mom's place. And then this is the scent that I'm using. This one is literally so good. Naimeisha already, but I have another one.
Take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby.
Niwaulize, what kind of hasara is this? I was trying, I don't know, najua tu, it's just my fault. Hii mafuta ilikuwa moto sana, nikaanza kumwaga kwa hii container, mi uwekea mafuta, and then now the container is now I must split. Like, what was I trying to do? Surely, what was I trying to do? Now this is another expense. Okay, so I was just about to go to bed, but I realized I didn't do an outro for this vlog. So thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and also please do consider subscribing and becoming a part of this wonderful family. Thank you so much to the new subscribers who have joined us. I hope you love it here, and I hope to see many more of you guys here. We have to, you know, by God's grace, get to 500 subs before my birthday, which is in March. I feel like I keep telling you guys that my birthday is in March, but yeah, I'm so excited for my birthday this year. No reason in particular, I don't have any plans, but plans might pop up, you never know. So we have to, you know, get to 500 subs as a birthday present. Yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.